stuff falling everywhere. What else in there, bud?
Well, let's worry about that later.
Yeah, it's like little candies that are breaking apart. It's gonna be a mess.
Mash it! Now we're into damage control. Mommy's just gonna pretend she doesn't hear this.
Get some more.
No. See? Oh my god.
Are you stuck in taking me? I wish we would do it outside.
Yeah, you hit a point, didn't you?
Yeah, but then think of all the insects that would have come.
True.
Okay, that's some people up my face. You got all the candy out.
Do you want me to hit it, or are you gonna?
Yeah, you hit. I'm not watching this.
I'll go with the backhanded. This is what worked before.